Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Hey friends, so I thought in this video we would do something kind of fun. In the midst of a lot of our Christmas videos, I just wanted to do something out of the box. So since I am a huge Beyonce fan, I thought why not highlight how to have a Beyonce styled Renaissance Christmas. Now, if you guys have been paying attention, you know Beyonce went on a wild, huge tour called the Renaissance Tour. And it's sort of course I didn't go, but it's sort of a disco-inspired, love yourself type tour. But one thing that stood out about it was her really rampant use of the color silver and all things bold and glam. Think silver disco balls. So I thought, in honor of Beyonce, let's figure out how to bring this style home for our Christmas decor. So first off, I am not going to do a lot of talking, just wanted to give you some major key points. You know Beyonce is a diva, she's glam, right? So think over the top as much as possible. Also, your color palette for this style should be, of course, silver, as much silver as possible. But you can go with accent colors to include white or black. I saw a lot of that from pictures at the concert, and really just make it your own. If you choose to add other metallics, definitely do that. But just remember, silver is going to be your primary color here. If you are wondering if something is a little too over the top or a little too much, trust me, it's not. It's what you're going for. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. I look forward to doing a couple more celebrities as well. But if you all have a great celebrity or person that we all may know that you think I could kind of center the next video around, please let me know in the comment section. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye, friends. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there's a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye friends.